grand opening of our new satellite National Bureau of Investigation Office here in Kapatagan. Today marks a significant milestone in our journey towards enhancing national security, upholding justice, and safeguarding the rights of our citizens. This state-of-the-art facility stands not just as a symbol of progress but as a testament to our unwavering commitment to excellence in law enforcement, equipped with cutting-edge technology and manned by dedicated professionals. This office embodies our determination to stay ahead and fight against crime and corruption. As we inaugurate this new chapter, let us reaffirm our pledge to serve with integrity, transparency, and diligence. Together, we will continue to uphold the rules of law and ensure that justice prevails for every Filipino. This office will serve as a beacon of hope and assurance for the community, a place where trust is earned through our actions and dedication. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all those who have contributed to making this vision a reality. Our government's leaders, partners in law enforcement, and the tireless efforts of the NBI team headed by our former director, Medardo de Lemos. Of course, with the help of our regional director, Attorney Patricio Pipo Perlanes, the Chief of Iligan District, Attorney Bong Ilanan, ug sa iyang mga staff. Your unwavering support and collaboration have been instrumental in achieving this milestone. In conclusion, let us look forward with optimism and determination. May this new satellite NBI office not only meet but exceed our expectations in fulfilling its vital role in our nation's security and justice system. Thank you all once again, and being part of this momentous occasion, together, let us forge ahead with courage and resolve. Again, thank you and good morning. God bless.